Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to Voice of Wisdom. Ah, here we share simple, practical, and uplifting tips to help you live with strength, comfort, and confidence at every stage of life. Let me ask you this. Have your legs been feeling a little heavier or slower lately? Maybe climbing the stairs feels more challenging than it used to, or your daily walk doesn't feel as light and easy anymore. Perhaps even rising from your favorite chair takes more effort than before. Now, while it's easy to say, oh, that's just aging, the truth is sometimes there's more to it. And surprisingly, one of the hidden reasons might be right in your very own kitchen. Yes, I'm talking about common foods many of us eat every day without realizing they could be quietly draining our leg strength. These foods may leave you feeling sluggish, tired, and less steady than you deserve to feel. But here's the encouraging part. With just a few mindful changes, you can begin to restore your energy, strengthen your muscles, and support your joints, making every step feel lighter and steadier. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 everyday foods that may be weakening your legs, along with healthier alternatives that can help bring back your vitality. These are small, simple adjustments, but they can make a powerful difference in how you move and how confident you feel. So go ahead and pour yourself a warm cup of tea, get cozy, and let's take this journey together step by step towards stronger legs and a healthier, more active life. Before we begin, I'd love to know you're here with me. If you're watching, type a 1 in the comments below. It's our little way of saying, I'm here and I'm ready to take care of myself. And if you find value in these conversations, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Voice of Wisdom and tap that notification bell so you never miss new tips on aging gracefully and staying strong. Your support helps us grow this beautiful community of wise, vibrant souls. All right, my friends, let's get started. It's time to uncover the foods that may be holding you back and explore the choices that will help you move forward with strength and confidence. 5 foods weakening your legs. 1. Processed sugar, the sweet saboteur. Let's start with something we all love, sugar. Now, I'm not talking about the natural sweetness in an apple or a ripe strawberry. I'm talking about the processed sugar hiding in your morning donut, that creamy coffee drink, or even those healthy granola bars. You might be thinking, sugar? How's that hurting my legs? Well, here's the scoop. Processed sugar causes chronic inflammation in your body, and that inflammation can settle right into your joints, making them stiff and achy. Over time, it can even weaken the muscles that support your legs, leaving you feeling wobbly and tired. Plus, sugar spikes your blood sugar, which can zap your energy and make it harder to stay active. Imagine this. You start your day with a sugary cereal. By mid-morning, you're crashing, your knees are creaking, and you're just not feeling up for that walk around the block. That's sugar at work, folks. But here's the good news, you don't have to give up sweetness altogether. Try swapping out those sugary treats for fresh fruit, like berries or a sliced peach. If you're craving something creamy, go for Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. And if chocolate's your thing, reach for dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. These swaps satisfy your sweet tooth while giving your body nutrients to keep your legs strong and steady. 2. Fried fast foods, the joint jammers. Next up, let's talk about fried and fast foods. Think French fries, fried chicken, or that quick burger from the drive-thru. These foods are loaded with trans fats, which are like little wrecking balls for your joints. Trans fats can break down the cartilage that cushions your knees and hips, making every step feel like a chore. They also clog up blood flow, which means your leg muscles aren't getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. And let's not forget, these foods often pack on extra pounds, which puts even more pressure on your knees and ankles. Picture this. You're at a family picnic and you grab a plate of fried chicken and onion rings. Later, you notice your knees are aching and your legs feel like they're carrying a heavy load. That's no coincidence. The good news? You can still enjoy delicious meals without the damage. Try baking or grilling your favorite foods instead. A juicy grilled chicken breast or roasted veggies can be just as tasty. If you love crispy textures, an air fryer is a game changer. No oil, no guilt. Small changes like these can make a big difference in how your legs feel day after day. 3. Processed meats, the swelling culprits. Now, let's talk about processed meats. We're talking bacon, sausage, hot dogs, deli meats, those convenient go-tos for sandwiches or breakfast. Here's the problem. These meats are packed with sodium and preservatives that can cause your body to hold onto water. That extra water can make your legs feel swollen and heavy, especially around your ankles. Plus, processed meats don't provide the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong. Over time, this can lead to weaker legs and more discomfort when you're moving around. Think about it. You make a quick bacon and egg sandwich for breakfast, and by lunchtime, your legs feel puffy and sluggish. That's your body telling you it needs better fuel. Instead, try leaner proteins like grilled chicken or turkey. If you love spreads, hummus is a fantastic option, creamy, flavorful, and packed with protein. And don't sleep on salmon, it's rich in omega-3s that fight inflammation and keep your joints happy. By swapping out processed meats, you're giving your legs the support they need to carry you through the day. 4. High sodium foods. The circulation killers. Speaking of sodium, let's dive into high sodium foods. These are things like canned soups, frozen dinners, chips, and even some restaurant meals. Too much sodium causes your body to retain fluid, which can lead to swelling and discomfort in your legs. It also puts extra strain on your heart and blood vessels, reducing circulation to your muscles. Poor circulation means your legs aren't getting the oxygen they need, which can make them feel weak and achy. And over time, all that sodium can weaken your bones, making it harder to stay active. Here's a scenario. You heat up a can of soup for dinner because it's quick and easy. But by bedtime, your legs are throbbing and you're feeling stiff. Sound familiar? The fix is simple. Cut back on those salty packaged foods and flavor your meals with natural ingredients instead. Fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme, a squeeze of lemon, or a pinch of garlic powder can make your food taste amazing without the sodium overload. When you're shopping, check labels and go for low sodium options. Your legs and your heart will thank you. 5. Refined carbs, the energy drainers. Last but not least, let's talk about refined carbs. These are foods like white bread, white pasta, sugary cereals, and those fluffy dinner rolls we all love. Refined carbs are stripped of nutrients, so they spike your blood sugar and then leave you crashing. That roller coaster can sap your energy, making it harder to stay active and keep your leg muscles strong. Even worse, eating too many refined carbs can lead to muscle loss over time, which is the last thing we want as we age. Imagine sitting down to a plate of spaghetti with white pasta and a slice of garlic bread. It tastes great, but an hour later, you're sluggish and your legs feel like lead. Let's make a better choice. Swap out white bread for whole grain options, like a hearty slice of whole wheat toast. Trade white pasta for quinoa or brown rice, and start your day with oatmeal instead of sugary cereal. These whole grains are packed with fiber and nutrients that keep your energy steady and your muscles strong. It's like giving your legs a steady stream of fuel to keep you moving. Final reflections. All right, my wonderful friends, let's bring today's conversation to a close. We've uncovered 5 everyday foods that may quietly be draining your leg strength. Things like excess sugars, fried or fast foods, processed meats, high sodium items, and those refined carbohydrates that sneak into so many meals. By themselves, they may not seem too harmful, but when they become part of our daily routine, they can slowly take away our energy, balance, and vitality. Here's the good news. It's never too late to make a change. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Instead, think of it as a gentle journey. Start small. Maybe swap that afternoon cookie for a crisp apple. Choose grilled over fried just once this week. Or explore low-sodium seasoning options that bring out flavor without compromising your health. Step by step, these mindful choices will add up, strengthening your legs, boosting your energy, and helping you feel lighter and more confident in your movements. Remember, this path isn't about chasing perfection. It's about steady progress, one decision at a time. Every healthier choice you make is a gift to your future self, a step towards staying active, independent, and radiant at every age. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods surprised you the most today? Was it the refined carbs, the salty snacks, or maybe the processed meats? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've stayed with me all the way through, type a 2 in the comments, so I know you're part of this wonderful, committed Voice of Wisdom community. If this message resonated with you, please support our growing family by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to Voice of Wisdom, and tapping the notification bell so you never miss our next conversation. And if you know someone who could use a little encouragement on their health journey, share this video with them. You might be the spark that inspires their next positive step. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this time with me. Until next time, stay strong, stay vibrant, and always stay true to yourself. 2. This is Voice of Wisdom, wishing you health, grace, and energy in every step.